Good morning, everyone. Right now I am driving Tommy's Evo 1. We had to pick up Adam's car. We're bringing it back to the shop right now. And I mean, other than the wheels shaking a little bit, this car is so cool. Like, I feel like it has like the perfect amount of power. It's not too fast. Look at this guy. It's not too fast and it's not too slow. It's literally just like perfect. And it's a lot of fun. I mean, that's really all I can say. Look at this asshole. What the hell is he doing? All right, guys, so we're back at the shop. I kind of want Tommy's Evo 1. It's kind of cool, but it's too much money. Today is a cleaning day. Me and Face Tats, we are going to be cleaning up this whole shop because it's bad. It's very unmotivating to work in a dirty shop, and we got to make this spotless, and we're just going to get down to business. I'm not going to film. We're just going to bust ass. Just remember all of this. I'll do a little walk around. Here it is, all the junk. It's so bad. It's just so much clutter, you know?
A lot of shit.
All right, you guys saw it. Let's do it.
Miata just sent me on a text. Last night I left hickeys on her neck.
Wait, you dismayed and perplexed. Insulting me in a line, compliment me on the next day.
I'm really sorry you want me to have a...
All right, guys, so me and Face Tats just finished cleaning the shop, and I just have to give a huge shout out to Cove Speakers for sponsoring this video. One, I've been using the speaker for probably a month and a half, 2 months, ever since I got the K-Truck. However long ago I got the K-Truck is exactly when I got this Cove speaker, and this thing is truly amazing. It lasts 8 hours, it's all Bluetooth, and for how small this thing is, it's really loud. Like, I can literally put it on my toolbox, and you can hear it throughout the whole shop. I can put it in my drift car as I'm driving. You can hear this, pick up every single lyric, and you guys know how loud my drift car is. So real quick, if you guys wanna pick one of these up, it's gonna be in the bio below. This thing is water resistant and everything, and if you use my coupon code, you get 65% off. So this thing right here is only $95, give or take, which if you ask me, that's a great deal. Because if you go to Best Buy or something, you're not getting that quality of a speaker for under $200. So go down to the link below, buy a Cove, and I want to thank everyone for their support. Okay, so me and Face Tats have been killing it, and we just finished. He actually had to go leave because he's going out to dinner, and this isn't focusing. So it's not bad. I mean, there's a couple more things we have to do, but everything is sweeped, everything is clean. As far as the engines go, this is Nisco's. I have no idea what he's doing with it. The LS2 I kind of wanted to build, but now that Dom's gone, it's kind of a... I didn't want to build this. I wanted to build the LS3 heads and make some more power, but I think I'm going to be going a different route, something that I can do, and it will make a lot more power for about like $1,600. I don't know yet, though. As for this, there's a very, very cheap Forester near where I live, and I might just go cop that. It needs an engine, so I'll just use that one right there. Yep, right there. And I don't know, probably flip it, do something with it, I don't really know, but that'll get rid of this engine, and I can get that Forester for literally dumb cheap, and it'll be content, it'll be interesting. We can re-gasket that and do all that fun stuff, but I don't know. I don't really have much planned today. I don't really have much going on. I'm going to the track with Tommy tomorrow. I already posted today, so I think I might just go home, chill, and catch up with you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today's the next day. I am on my way to Lime Rock, but first, we got some packages here. I've been waiting for oh geez, I almost tripped. Been waiting for a while. We got the Rough Country 4.5-inch lift kit for the Jeep, and I am very excited to put this in, but I promised Tommy that I would be there, so not yet. We're not doing it right now. I'd love to go to the shop and do it, but one, I don't want to do it alone, and two, I kind of want to go rip Lime Rock as well, so let's hit it. Look at this. I'm running errands for Mr. F. Yeah over here. God damn it. All right, y'all, so we're at Lime Rock now. We've probably been here for about 2 hours. You think that's fair to say?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Disgusting disco fries.
Dude, come on. Well, anyways, I'm not really gonna film much at Lime Rock. This is more of like Tommy's day, so if you want to see like the sickness on the track, you guys want to see us go hard, definitely go check out his channel tomorrow. It will be up. This is wild, dude. Scale 1 to 10, how wild is this? 20?
If not a 25.
You're just gonna have to see Tommy's channel and find out. Shit's fire. Alright guys, so it's now 5:16. I am leaving Lime Rock right now. Honestly, I had a lot of fun today. I'm happy that I went. It wasn't what I was expecting, but at the end of the day, it turned out really good. If you guys want to see that, it will be on Tommy's channel tomorrow. I kind of didn't film anything just because like it was more of his day and he was letting me like drive his car. So I didn't want to be like a content stealer or anything like that. But now we're going to the shop. We're going to open the lift kit. And Tommy, he thinks he wants a rematch in a game of skate for the $1,000. He wants to win his money back, probably because Mr. Moneyback is spending all this money and he needs to recoup some of it. But little does he know that, I mean, he does know this. I've been practicing skating, so I mean, I have no doubt in my mind that I kicked his ass once. I'm gonna kick his ass again. You guys already know he's gonna come up with a bunch of excuses and a bunch of bullshit, but I'm gonna take home another $1,000. It's gonna be $2,000 deep, and I'm stoked because Chris Money Rudnick needs it. Let's get to the shop. We just got to the shop. Tommy's always outing me for this little bullshit, so I'm gonna out him. Me and Face Tat spent a couple hours cleaning. This is Tommy's box right here, and you know, this is what he does every single time. When he has boxes, he'll just throw them on my side and he'll leave them there. But I'm gonna ask him on camera, I'm like, dude, why is this on this side? This is what I think his excuse is gonna be. It's gonna be like, oh, I was in a rush, we were going, I just put it there, I was gonna crush it up later. It's bullshit. He always does this. I have to take all these cars out because I want to get the Jeep on the lift. We're not going to do it tonight because I'm afraid that I'm not going to have enough time and it's going to run really late. So what I want to do is I just want to prep everything for tomorrow. I want to play this game of skate, but before I do anything, I'm just going to finish this side. I'm going to finish putting my ARP lug studs on. I just got to do this one, and that one should take about, I don't know, 5 minutes. I'm just going to back this out, move the K-truck, and we'll be good to go. So, now that he's here, I want to ask you a question. What's this?
Leave that.
What
Don't fucking kick it, you shit brick.
Why is it on my side? Yeah.
If I find one thing on my side,
Yeah.
yours is going in your ass. Sideways.
No, what? I just want to know. Why?
This is the Miata valve cover box.
So, why was it on my side?
Because it was in the truck. Oh, it's next door, that smells. It was in the truck, and we unloaded the truck today so you could drive my Miata at the track. We had to unload it.
This is what he does. This is what he does to me.
Remember that time you drove it to track today?
He points everything at me.
Went through a
This
half
is
a
what he
tank of
does.
gas?
That's what he does.
Is that you?
That's what he
Or is that
does.
someone else?
That's what he does.
Fucking grow up.
That's what he does.
Let's go.
Alright, so I gotta go bring Tom to his appointment quick, but I just got everything back on. The brakes are done for good on this side because we got the ARPs over there, we got the ARPs over here, so we were good to go. We got the new extended lugs, the new lug nuts, and everything is good. So this side is now... What the fuck? Why won't this spin? It's just really hard. I wonder why it's not hitting anything. That's so weird.
So Chris is over here bitching because he's got to do me a fucking favor.
I'm always doing you favors.
Always do me favors. All right, this morning, I invite him to a track day where he can drive my car and not even pay the entrance fee.
I paid more than you did, technically.
You didn't pay the entrance fee.
I technically paid more than
All
you
you
did,
paid
though.
was the $45 part.
So if you subtract that $45 from yours, then I paid more than you.
You're forgetting that I bought you lunch yesterday, which was $18.
And I bought you lunch 2 days ago.
Which was $9.
It was $11.50.
$7 discrepancy. So you paid exactly what I paid for the track day.
No.
Did you put the gas in the Miata?
I didn't go. First off, I wasn't able to go.
You did the same amount of sessions.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I did 2. How many did you do?
No,
4.
oh yeah, because you skipped
I
the
did
first
2.
one.
So you did 2.
And didn't do the last one. Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 20-minute sessions in the Miata. I did 4 20-minute sessions. So you used a third of the tank of gas.
And you're getting something that I wanted, and you're being a
That
prick
is
about it.
not.
You're rubbing it in every day. I come in, you're like, I'm getting this, dude.
I am doing that. I'll be
Yeah,
completely
he
honest.
fucking is.
But,
'Cause
okay.
he knows I want it.
So can I let the monkey out of the bottle?
Sure. So you're a prick.
No, about what you're getting.
I'm I'm not getting shit. No, you can't say that.
I'm gonna say it.
Then I'll say what you're getting.
No, no deal.
Okay, then. That's what I thought.
Well, Chris is getting something great.
It's not
Thanks to
that
me.
great.
Thanks.
It's whatever.
Oh, if it's just whatever.
It's whatever. It's not cool. It's just nice.
Nothing's ever good enough for this kid. So anyway, enough with the cryptic messages. He's doing me a favor, even though I do him many.
Like leaving boxes on my side.
Oh, wah.
Yeah,
One
when
more-
I just cleaned for fucking 2.5 hours yesterday, busting my balls.
That took you 2.5 hours.
It was dirty.
Yeah, but most of it was all you. You're gonna bitch about
No.
one cardboard box.
No. A lot of it was Dom. I had to find tools. I'm not calling him out. It's just Dom. He's a
Oh,
great
exposed!
mechanic. Dom's a great mechanic,
Exposed!
but he never put tools back. That's the
That's
only
true.
downfall.
You never put tools
That was the only downfall of having Dom.
Do you think if he had his own tools there, he would put them back?
Yes. I mean, everyone puts their own tools back.
So you're exposing him right now.
I'm not exposing him.
Exposed, Dom.
I love Dom.
You never did put tools away.
I
if you're
do
watching this.
love Dom. I don't want to kiss him, but I love him. But that's it.
What's with this kiss shit?
Because you wanted me to kiss the camera before, kiss a viewer, I don't know. You wanted me to
What?
do some weird. Remember, you're like, why don't you kiss him?
Dude, we're not being weird. So anyway,
Remember
he's doing me this.
Miguel and Jose?
He's doing me this very little favor.
No, it's half an hour away. I got to put the Jeep on the lift. We got to play skate so I can take your $1,000. And
I thought you were playing against Jeff.
no, I don't want to embarrass him.
We gotta talk.
Small favor, he says. 36 minutes away. We're gonna be here for an hour. You gotta drive 36 minutes back to the shop, put the Jeep on the lift, take his money, and then go home. But I'm gonna catch up and I'm gonna edit real quick. Okay, so Tommy, he got his new toy. Now he's being a big pussy. And now what? Now what? You're all out of money?
Dude,
You literally told me at the track that you want to play again.
I got a stand-in though.
What does that mean? What-
Meeting you at the shop.
You're not meeting me. You're gonna
I
ditch
got a
me.
ringer that's meeting you at the shop.
You have a ringer?
My stand-in.
Don't tell me it's face tats.
My stand-in. He's gonna meet you at the shop.
I swear to God.
If he loses,
No,
he's
I'm
gonna
telling you
be
this.
Working for me for free.
I'm telling you this. I'm gonna let him go first. I'm gonna tell him to do a kickflip for the first trick. If he doesn't land it, I'm out. I'm not dealing with it. It's just I don't want petty money. I want real money. I'm Chris Money Rudnick. I'm not gonna take that random money. I'm gonna take
Whatever.
that real money,
Whatever,
you know?
dude. Jeff will beat you.
So here we are.
And here we go.
You got your cool Corvette and your I almost said the word again.
Dude,
I
put
almost
it out yourself. Why is it on me the whole time?
I guess I'm gonna go to the shop. I still have to pull the roadster
You got
out,
a lot
put
of
the
work to
Jeep
do.
on. I don't have that much work.
You gonna be up
I'm gonna
early tomorrow?
probably not.
Come on.
Why do I need to get up
Got
early?
a lot of work.
Are you gonna help me with the lift kit?
Yep.
Are you actually?
Yep.
All right, well, lift kit coming tomorrow. Meet you at the shop. Okay, guys, so we just got to the shop. We got face tats right here, and we are ready to roll. You guys know what I said. I'm gonna go first. My first trick is gonna be a kickflip, and let's see if you can do it. Let's do it. SK8. Let's see what you got, dude. Alright, we got an S on the board. Fake a kickflip. What the?
I'm honestly surprised.
Okay. So, I can't take Tommy's money. I mean, honestly, I could because he said, what does ringer mean? That, like, you're his
That means
guy that he trusts with the money?
that means I'm coming in. I'm gonna win this.
Okay, so,
Which,
I guess I'll just end it right here.
what is it? Okay, so fakey big spin.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm not sure I've ever done it.
Tommy, dude, your ringer, man. Your ringer. That's honestly not bad. Alright. Green for Allen. For Allen? I What the fuck? Are you kidding me right now? Back to back?
October fur.
October 1st. Okay, well, it's a good thing I'm not drunk because if I was, I probably would have smashed my face, but I fell anyway. So, obviously you see there's nothing on the lift. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the Jeep on the lift, lift it up, take the wheels off, show you the lift kit, and I'm out of here because Tommy took up my whole day. Okay, so the Jeep is on the lift. Check all of this shit out. Okay, so we got the front springs. Let's see how much bigger they are real quick. Oh, dude, look how much bigger this is. Insanity. So I am very excited for tomorrow. I would do it right now, but I really have no one here. I know Jeff wants to leave. I want to leave. It's what, 9 o'clock?
I want to stay.
You want to?
Rodnick wants to go.
You know what? Fuck it. You want to stay and work on this?
Yeah.
You want it 4 hours? You ready?
No, I'm going home.
But this is the whole kit right here. This is everything that we need to make this thing 4.5 inches taller. And I am very excited to do this. I am kind of bummed at the same time because the brakes went out. And the brakes went out and I'm thinking in my head, like, okay, like I moved this around a couple times. Like me and Dom are gonna finish the Roadster, put this on the lift, Dom can do the brakes, like no big deal. But now it's just me. So now I gotta figure out where the brakes are. Now I gotta figure out where the problem is in the brakes. I mean,
the brakes are right here, man.
And yeah, it's gonna be a nightmare. I mean, unless you wanna do it.
No.
No? What do you mean no?
I mean, I'll help you.
Oh, thanks, man. Face Tats is a big friend. Actually, you're a kind of tiny friend.
Don't call me a bitch.
That was a fat joke. So I guess that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. And we will see you tomorrow installing this beauty. You know, I could have got the free one. This was $500. Chris Money Rudnick, we're not fucking around. Winter is coming and this thing needs to be built ASAP. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.